What if I told you that on top of that mountain there is a tiny wooden bivouac surrounded by ibex and that I just spent the night there? Well, it's all real. Join me in this new adventure. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today I am in this beautiful plateau called Altopiano del Montasio. You might have seen it in another video where I was going on that ridge over there, and today we have another plan. I'm with Giulia and we are going right on top of this mountain up here on the right end of the ridge, because we're gonna spend the night in a fantastic bivouac called Bivacco Luca Vuerich, which is for me one of the best in the Alps. The view from up there is just extraordinary, so I'm extremely excited to go there. I've been there like 5 or 6 times, but it's always a pleasure to be up there, and this time to show it to you guys. So yeah, it's time to go. We actually already hiked like 1 hour and 15 minutes because the road to reach the bottom of the plateau was closed, so it was a longer hike than usual, and we still have almost 3 hours and we are late as always, so let's go. So the official trail goes up pretty gently all the way up almost to that top, and then crosses all the way to the saddle, and then little via ferrata to the bivouac. But we are late as always, my fault. So we're going up straight in the couloir. We're gonna reach the saddle and then up to the bivouac. It's not an official trail, it's more like a, I don't know, hunter's trace, but it works. Did it a lot of times, so let's go. Saddle Forca Delicieris. This place is historically relevant because here there are some little shelters where World War I soldiers were staying for the whole year basically. And I found the back of a bullet while hiking up, so yeah. Now there's an easy part of Via Ferrata that goes all the way up this sort of wall, and then I'm gonna be close to the bivouac. So camera stays inside, GoPro out. Perfect. are on the ridge. Bivacco Luca Vuerich. We made it. Yoo-hoo-hoo. Brava. Che bomba. Time for dinner. So this is the situation right now. Low clouds in the valleys, beautiful mountain coming out, and a lot of high clouds. All this soft light that is allowing us to see right now is from the moon, which should be somewhere around there. It's very well hidden behind the clouds, but it's creating this kind of soft lightning, which is pretty cool actually. So it's time to get back in the bivouac, have some rest. It's been a pretty long hike. The last part has been quite tricky. I didn't even film the very last part because we had to be very careful. So yeah, it's time to rest. Let's hope for a beautiful sunrise tomorrow morning and a comfortable night here at Bivacco Luca Vuerich. I just love this place, it's amazing. Buonanotte.
Hai detto in italiano, non sai?
Good morning. The night has been super warm. Bivak is really well insulated and it was not cold at all even outside, so it was an awesome night. Sunrise has been super nice. All these beautiful low clouds in the valleys give such a peaceful atmosphere, so it was great, really great. Now it's breakfast time. We'll have a warm cup of tea, some pancakes that Giulia cooked for us yesterday, and yeah, it's almost time to go down, but I don't want to leave. I love this place. It's just amazing. This bivouac is named after Luca Vuerich, who was very, very strong alpinist from this region, and he died like 10 years ago in a mountain accident, climbing an icefall, and yeah, his family dedicated this bivouac to him. Until next time.
Yoo-hoo-hoo! Whew. We made it.
Alright, we're finally back at the car. This last part has been pretty tiring. It's really frustrating to hike down a road where you usually drive up with the car. So yeah, this adventure is over. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share my work with all your friends, and see you in the next adventure.